Hey there, fellow students. In today's video, we're going to talk about an important topic: how to make money as a student in 2023. As students, we often find ourselves juggling between classes, assignments, and exams, but that doesn't mean we can't find ways to earn some extra cash. So, let's dive right in and explore several strategies that can help you make money while pursuing your studies. The digital age has opened up numerous opportunities for students to make money online. Here are a few ways to tap into the online world. Firstly, consider freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer allow you to offer your skills and expertise to clients around the globe. Whether you're good at writing, graphic design, coding, or video editing, there's likely someone out there willing to pay for your services. Create an appealing profile, showcase your portfolio, and start bidding on relevant projects. Another online opportunity is online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, consider becoming an online tutor. Platforms like Tutor.com, Chegg Tutors, or Wyzant allow you to connect with students who need help in various subjects. Set your own hourly rates, create engaging lesson plans, and help others succeed academically while earning money. If you're passionate about content creation, start a YouTube channel, blog, or podcast. Choose a topic you're knowledgeable about and passionate about, and consistently create high-quality content. Once you build a dedicated audience, you can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or platforms like Patreon, where your followers can support you financially. Additionally, consider dropshipping as an online business model. Create an online store using platforms like Shopify, and sell products without the need for inventory. Research popular trends, find reliable suppliers, and market your products effectively through social media and online advertising to generate sales. While the online world offers numerous possibilities, don't overlook the potential offline opportunities that can help you make money. Part-time jobs are a classic way for students to earn money. Look for part-time jobs within your university or local community. Common options include working at cafes, restaurants, retail stores, or tutoring centers. These jobs often offer flexible schedules to accommodate your studies, and you can gain valuable work experience along the way. Consider exploring campus jobs. Universities usually have various on-campus positions available, such as library assistants, research assistants, or administrative roles. These jobs often provide convenient working hours, proximity to your classes, and may even align with your field of study. You can also offer freelance services within your local community. This could involve pet sitting, house cleaning, babysitting, or event photography. Spread the word through flyers, social media, or local community bulletin boards. Building a reputation in your local area can lead to a steady stream of clients. If you're crafty, consider creating and selling handmade products. Whether it's jewelry, artwork, or customized clothing, platforms like Etsy provide a marketplace for your creations. Tap into your creativity, showcase your unique products, and market them effectively to attract customers. Being a student comes with its perks. Take advantage of the resources available to you. Explore scholarships and grants specific to your field of study, academic achievements, or personal circumstances. These financial aids can ease your financial burden and allow you to focus more on your studies. Many universities offer paid research opportunities for students. Reach out to professors or research departments to inquire about available positions. Participating in research projects can not only provide monetary compensation but also enhance your knowledge and skills within your field of interest. Engage with student organizations related to your interests. Some organizations offer paid positions for leadership roles or event management. Not only can you earn money through these positions, but you can also gain valuable experience, develop leadership skills, and expand your network. Another opportunity to consider is becoming a campus brand ambassador for companies or organizations. Many companies hire students to promote their products or services on campus. You can earn money through commissions, incentives, or even free products. This type of role allows you to gain marketing and sales experience while connecting with other students and building your professional network. If you have a talent for public speaking or performing, explore opportunities for paid gigs or performances. Many events, conferences, and local venues are often looking for student performers or speakers. This can include music performances, stand-up comedy, motivational speaking, or even hosting events. Look for open mic nights, talent shows, or local events where you can showcase your skills and get paid for your talent. Additionally, consider monetizing your hobbies and passions. Do you enjoy photography? Offer your services for events, such as weddings, parties, or graduation ceremonies. Are you skilled in web design? Create websites for small businesses or individuals. Think about the skills or hobbies you enjoy and find ways to turn them into money-making opportunities. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of networking. Connect with professionals in your field of interest and express your eagerness to gain experience. Attend career fairs, industry events, or join professional organizations. By building relationships and demonstrating your enthusiasm, you may come across internships or part-time positions that can provide both financial compensation and valuable industry experience. Remember, making money as a student requires dedication, time management, and a willingness to explore various opportunities. It's important to strike a balance between your studies and work commitments to ensure that your academic performance doesn't suffer. So, whether you're leveraging the digital world, tapping into local opportunities, or utilizing student resources, there are countless ways for you to make money as a student in 2023. Take advantage of the resources available to you, stay proactive, and be open to new experiences. With the right mindset and a bit of determination, you can achieve financial independence while pursuing your education. Best of luck on your journey to success.